I took my hair down, by the way. It looks beautiful. This is my braids.
You never saw.
This is my braids without weave.
You don't see my awkwardness. I'm not that awkward, real life.
Okay, don't be weird. Forget.
As we. Okay, where's my. So first, we will be back.
No, we're explaining the rules while we're gone. So, the rules are that each team gets one gun. One person in the team is one team member is the person that tells the other person where to shoot and stuff, and the other teammate is the one with the gun. And well, we're using phones for everybody else's perspective. And whoever has the most points in the end wins the game. So yeah. And are we doing live? So we're just doing points?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just doing points now. Alright, let's go.
Hey guys, welcome to free for
Check out his channel, Friskara.
It's not his team, that's not our team.
Friskara, I don't know. I know your channel, boy.
Today we have different perspectives. If you want to see
Everybody else's perspective.
Go to that channel. Go to that
go
channel.
to that
Go to that channel.
John
Hey guys, so
and everyone else.
today I'm going to study.
And
We're going to
Bear,
if you want to see how it goes down, like the whole lookout thing, go check out this channel. Well, this is
Respect.
John Does Games.
alright.
John Does Games. And well, you search up John Does Games, but it shows us something
John
else.
does.
John Does Games. And
John does game.
I said games. And go. And if you want to see, John's perspective and
Cameron!
and my brother's perspective, well, check out Tara. If you want to see me and Cameron's perspective, check out, look, this is the video.
Guys, you visitors, you are on a car watching this video. Now, we're probably gonna battle right here, maybe.
Is that mommy? Nope.
I paused my video. So we'll be
So this is where you guys are gonna watch my perspective.
Tootsie! What is he even doing?
What?
yeah, take the phone.
Yeah, that's y'all's perspective. This is our perspective.
Alright. Well, no. Oh, let's not. Alright. We're going to split up.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Split. Split.
That was so robust. Today.
No, we split it. We split it. Don't worry about start over. Don't start over.
So we're not starting.
No, I hold it over here then.
This is Cameron's perspective, as you can see.
I'm gonna ask Rio.
No, that's not your channel.
I don't break the goddamn thing. I'm trying to figure out what that noise is.
Okay, I can't show you guys. I'm quarter from there. No, we gotta split up. We gotta go back here. Gotta keep. Guys, grab the phone. Grab the phone. I gotta grab this too. Then I'll just grab the phone. Don't worry. Yeah, I'm glitched. We gotta find where they are. They're probably on the other side.
Yeah, they're probably on the other side. But
Okay, I thought that was another one. I'm like, okay.
you bitch.
But, you know what's another fake word?
What? Bitch. Get out, bitch.
Move, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way.
But you're recording.
Yeah. Ah! We got exposed! Shit.
Move out.
Twithy is my guardian. It's like Silent Assassin on Roblox. The guardians have to protect the target, which is me. And they both have guns. So they're over here. I hear them. Look at this beautiful ocean. Okay. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Over this way. Let's go this way. Try this way. Look at this beautifulness. Look at this beautifulness. See? I don't know where they are, but I might get shot. No. Wait. That isn't them. Hold on, guys. The itch. Crap. Freak. Mon boy. Brother. Misa. Actually, that sounds like Misa. Misi. Reese's. Don't touch me. All I have to do is. I feel like we're being. They're over there, aren't they? They're over there. They don't leave me. Let's run backwards now. No sight of them anywhere. You gotta find them. So look at it like this. Wait. So look at it like this. We went to their base, right? They probably went to ours. So we gotta go over there and check. Let's go. You're gonna go the other way? Okay, just go. Split up, okay. Fine. Have it your way. Really? I can't run. My stuff hurts. I can't believe I just got exposed in front of the camera. Part 1. This is probably gonna be part 1 because this is taking forever. Probably part 1, part 1. But that's a little bit. So don't use them all up. Minions, save all minions. Save all the minions. Can't walk any further.
Done. And I saw